Trading in the financial markets can be exciting. It offers the potential for substantial profits. However, it's crucial to remember that risk is an inherent part of trading. Without proper risk management, even experienced traders can face significant losses. That's where precision tools become essential. They help mitigate risk and protect your hard-earned money. Think of it like this. You wouldn't drive a car without a seatbelt, would you? Risk management is not about eliminating risk entirely. It's about understanding and controlling your exposure to potential losses. A well-defined risk management strategy allows you to make informed trading decisions. It helps you stay calm under pressure. Remember, every trade involves the possibility of both profit and loss. Imagine having a tool that simplifies risk management and empowers you to trade with confidence. This is where the Risk Management Excel tool comes in. This user-friendly tool is designed to make risk management accessible to all traders, from beginners to seasoned professionals. It's like having a personal trading assistant right at your fingertips. The beauty of this tool lies in its simplicity. You input key parameters, and the tool does the calculations for you. Start by entering your account balance, the amount of capital you're willing to risk on a single trade, expressed as a percentage, your entry price for a trade, and your predetermined stop loss and take profit levels. The tool instantly calculates the position size. This tells you exactly how much to buy or sell based on your risk tolerance. One of the most valuable features of the Risk Management Excel tool is its ability to facilitate trade planning. Before entering any trade, it's essential to have a clear plan. This includes your entry point, profit target, and maximum acceptable loss. The tool acts as a virtual trading ground, allowing you to test different scenarios and strategies. You can adjust your entry and exit points, experiment with different stop loss and take profit orders, and see the potential outcomes of your trades. This iterative process helps you optimize your trading strategies and find the approaches that align best with your risk appetite and financial goals. Remember, failing to plan is planning to fail, and this tool ensures you're always prepared. Section 4. Time is money, efficiency, and accuracy in trading. In today's fast-paced trading environment, time is of the essence. Manually calculating position sizes and managing risk can be time-consuming and prone to errors. The Risk Management Excel tool streamlines this process, freeing up your time to focus on what truly matters, analyzing the markets and identifying trading opportunities. The tool's accuracy is another significant advantage. By automating the calculations, it eliminates the risk of human error, which can be costly in trading. With precise risk management in place, you can trade with greater confidence, knowing that your potential losses are limited. This peace of mind is invaluable. Section 5. Take control of your trading destiny. In the world of trading, knowledge is power, but knowledge combined with the right tools is unstoppable. The Risk Management Excel tool is your key to unlocking smarter, safer, and ultimately more profitable trading. It empowers you to take control of your trading destiny by providing the framework for disciplined risk management. Don't let fear of risk keep you from exploring the exciting world of trading. With the Risk Management Excel tool at your disposal, you can approach the markets with confidence, knowing that you have a reliable system in place to protect your investments. Remember, successful trading is not about luck. It's about making informed decisions and managing your risk effectively. Start using the Risk Management Excel tool today and experience the difference it can make in your trading journey.